So, you have read or heard about the different cycles of the ecosystem. I know there are many different cycles of the ecosystem, but we will only tackle the three most common cycles. There are water cycle
Oxygen carbon dioxide cycle.
and nitrogen cycle.
Let's start with the water cycle. We have heard this many times in our elementary. When we hear this, we think about evaporation, condensation, or even precipitation. But it goes with the following. Evaporation, where the water at the surface or any water forms absorbs the heat energy and turns into a water vapor. Condensation, where the water vapor rises up in the atmosphere and it changes into tiny particles of water or ice. Sublimation, where the ice doesn't undergo melting and directly turn into water vapor. Precipitation, or what we call as rain, where small droplets combine to form big droplets. Transpiration, where the precipitated water is absorbed by the soil. Runoff, where the water runs over the surface of the earth which can form lakes and rivers. And lastly, infiltration. It is where a water that doesn't run off and was absorbed by the plants and it goes all over again and the water cycle is formed.
Dioxide is simple and it has four steps, where it helps the plant to produce water and food for themselves. Respiration, where we or the animal takes oxygen along with the sugars and release carbon dioxide. Combustion, where the process of burning that occurs naturally just like volcanic eruption, which produce the carbon dioxide which is essential for the plants. And the last is decomposition, where decomposers such as bacteria, fungi, helps break down the dead organism into elements such as carbon, oxygen, and nitrogen, are essential to plants and it's absorbed again to do photosynthesis and again and again.
Last but not the least is the nitrogen cycle. It has four steps. Nitrogen fixation, where a bacteria convert nitrogen gas into ammonia, which plants use. Nitrification, which is ammonia is turned into a nitrite ions, which plants take as nutrients. Ammonification, where after the living organism use nitrogen and the decomposers convert nitrogen-rich wastes into simple ones. And lastly, denitrification, where the bacteria turn simple nitrogen gas, which is released back into atmosphere to begin the cycle again. We hope that you learn a lot. See you for another learning.